Murphy's Diesel, folks. I'm Wrecker Rick. This is Niro, and Niro's on the controls today. Just kidding. Niro, I got the man, the myth, the legend, Boots Loft. Chris, Boots Loft. I got Fenner on the 50-ton. Got Michael on the 1075. Motor in the 30-ton right there, about ready to cause him an accident. We got Heavy T floating around here somewhere. Got my main man Rod here too. There's Heavy T. So we got ourselves a laid over tractor. This is the aftermath of a 52 vehicle pileup while me and the missus were gone picking up some snow tracks. So anyway, we're just doing a little cleanup, a little catch up. Got ourselves a nice little lane closer out here. Compliments of ADOT. I'd like to extend a thank you to those folks. Yeah, I think it's gonna go real well, except for that whole wall up there's compromised. We don't care. Loaded with cakes, not ice cream, folks. We thought it was ice cream. It's not, it's cakes. And he was right there. And we drug it up here. Boy, let me tell you, he just about went for a ride, didn't he, folks? Tell you what, let's get this bad Larry cleaned up, huh? Fenner, everyone.
How y'all doing?
How you feeling today, Fenner?
Awesome. This is my 6th or 7th truck in this accident, so pretty good.
How'd you feel about the wreck the other day?
It was pretty gross. It was pretty. I had to clear it so I could get the rest of the boys in at first. And then, yeah, that BMW was bad, real bad. Probably one of the worst fatalities I've ever seen.
Yeah, we didn't film that one, folks. A fatal, so there's 3 fatals on it.
Yeah, 2 in that car.
Oh, 2 fatals on it. So we didn't film it. We usually don't film the fatals. One of the worst he's ever seen. And he's seen a lot of them. Been doing this for how many years?
20, 30 years.
So
most you can count.
You know, our hearts go out to the folks.
I was just lucky. I was on the bottom side of this, so I was able to get here.
Heavy T was on scene.
And clear some of the traffic so that we get the rest of our wreckers here.
Yeah, it started right at the exit right there. And Fenner was Johnny on the spot. Got her licked. So we could get War Machine down. He opened it up so War Machine could come down. Actually, no, War Machine went wrong way. And then he came up from the bottom. And I missed it all, folks. First pile up I've ever missed. Hey, and hug this side right there. Hug the snow. Go forward, and then right at the end, turn out to the white line.
foot strut to the ICC bumper over here, around the back here, those are all 16. Every one 16. Those are all 16. From this ICC, around the back corner, and up, and I'll do the 2 hooks. Don't do, I'll take the whole thing off.
Pull that out, buddy.
Pull.
Huh? Pick up on the angle. Yeah. Can't pull anymore, buddy. That's it.
Rick, you want all the way in the ditch?
Wrecker
Or
Rick.
just
No.
level with the front of the truck?
No.
Square with the truck, right?
Wrecker Rick. On the
Wrecker
shoulder.
Rick.
Sir.
Sir, dog.
Dog, sir, or Wrecker Rick. That's all I answer to. Or Dragon. Huh? This guy knows what I'm talking about. It's a new sheriff in town. I figured, you know, everybody's always complaining because I never have my hard hat on, so I'm gonna start wearing a brim from now on, folks. So nobody could say anything about me not thinking about safety first. Cowboy hats stop anything.
Both one cable on the other side, one on this side, or both on that side? And we'll use one of these for a catch?
Yeah, you need to put both your cables on that side.
Yeah.
And then put these cables on this side.
You want me to put a block on it, on these little ones?
Yeah, you have blocks up there where you're at. I need a web shackle on this. Web shackle on the one I got.
Good!
Hey, is there
We're
a web
good!
on that side?
Rick, good!
Not that I know of.
That's alright, let's get Boudie rigged up. Bodie's up there, we'll rig it up. Hey, that's fine, we'll rig it up.
Well, I want him to learn.
Turn that way, Trey, what are you doing? Move those straps so you don't run them over.
Watch out, Craig.
Hey. That's good, Trey.
What are you thinking? Piece of cake, huh?
I'm worried about it buckling right here.
Yeah.
This already broke right here. So this is going to want to break right here. So I'm just kind of worried about it right here. No. Hang it right here. Boom up. Alright, now take that snatch block off of that and put it on there. This is just to hold this up after we come over. You're not going to do anything with this while we're rolling it. Mixer truck! Mixer truck trade!
Can you pull that up a little bit right there?
Alright, hey, everybody pay attention here.
I give it 2 minutes before someone says the first cuss word.
Welcome back to Burger Season.
You want to put on a little on blue?
We're doing a rollover on the
Hey.
highway today, so.
What's your blue up to?
What?
Y'all might
My blue, I gotta get under here.
get to see some history.
I'm gonna go up on red, pull it up on red.
Tractor trailer full of cakes.
Cake?
Yeah.
Not ice cream?
No, I wish. Whole side of it's ripped out, so they're hoping when it flips over, not all the cake doesn't fly out.
You're tight. Okay. Boudie? Snug your truck up a little bit. Boom up a little bit. Yeah. Boudie's got all of it. And Boudie, you let the cable out. There and see if that reach.
Yeah,
If not, I can put a chain on. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put a chain on.
Chain?
I thought for sure you'd eat.
I get up there is way better than
Yeah, last
Yeah,
time.
you literally step off 12 inches and fall.
Oh my god.
That's not safe, bro.
Oh yeah, that was you, not him.
Yeah, you fall like 13 feet.
I
had no gloves on.
Alright, unhook the rigging on the other side.
fine.
Size load. Looks kind of small to me.
It's not that big as well.
Yeah.
You call that what?
Heck yeah.
We'll pilot car, let him go through first.
I just hope that. About to get real. Keep on trucking.
There's only a few things I'll go by, and that's Sir, Wrecker Rick, Dog, and Dragon.
What about your majesty?
Your Majesty.
Or Your Honor. Well, folks, that's all she wrote. We came, we saw, we recovered. We didn't scratch a corner on that bad Larry. Did we, Crowbar? Crowbar, aka Mixer Truck Treg, aka Heavy T. You can't have all the nicknames.
No. I know you're gonna do something malicious.
He's gonna do
Oh, I forgot. Fucking crow. That's good, Crowbar. Oh, let me still on. Just hooked at her in the face.